Hey YouTube world, hope all is well. In this video I'll be power carving this silly worm I just drawn, and he's inspired from Oscar the Grouch's pet worm Slimy. I'll be using my Dremel 4300 with the flex shaft and various burrs, and I'll have those linked below in the description, so stay tuned to the end for a little tease on a future video. Let's get to power carving. Alright, I'm going to glue these two pieces together. And a nice 1-inch thick piece. Some wood glue and some CA glue. Alright, let's let that dry. And we'll be right back. Alright, let's take off the clamps and then trace on the little Mr. Wormy. So this basswood is nice and glued up together. I'm going to use some graphite paper and trace a little wormy here. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and finish this little wormy guy up. I'm having fun, enjoying it. Now I'm going to put in a diamond bit, the flame burr diamond bit, and see if I can smooth this out and do some good shaping and detail. Alright, here's what I have so far. Just gotta try to shape him the way he wants to turn and look. So I changed the diamond burr to a skinnier flame. Alright, so I'm gonna try that one out. Just try to get this width of the worm thinner, and hopefully it comes out good.
I'm just a silly little wormy.
Alright, let's see how this comes out. wormy. I got them sanded some to see how it's starting to look. So I'm just going to refine it a little bit. I have another diamond burr right here. Just like a cylinder one. And I want to thin down this bottom part right here. And this guy right here. Make it a little thinner. And then I'll probably change the diamond burr into a more detailed one and kind of carve out a tongue. And maybe do some of these inside lines, like the folds of the worm. Maybe refine his eyes a little bit. And then probably get it all sanded and start with the painting.
I'm just a silly worm.
Alright, so I got some more sanding to do on this little guy. I have this multi-pack, 4 rolls in it. Has 150 grit, 240, 320, 400. So I'm going to start off the 240 and go up to the 400. Fine sand them nice and smooth. And then we will get to the painting. I got this off of Amazon. It's cloth backed. And yeah, haven't tried it yet. Let's try it. To 400 grit.
I'm just a silly worm.
Alright, let's bring Squirt the silly worm to life here. So I want to have 2 different colors on the worm itself. I'm going to put some guidelines. See if I can space this out good enough. Alright, so I'm going to use that color and go all the way around. Then I'll switch on to a different color and bring him to life. Little silly worm, Squirt. Let's paint some of it in his mouth. Let's see here. Gonna go ahead and go all the way around this worm with this blue greenish color. Be right back.
Is he still on vacation? Hello, are you home yet? When are you coming home? Oh well, I'll be waiting right here for you. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.